Do you suffer from aches, pains, and sore muscles after any strenuous activity? Do you have difficulties sleeping? Like an overwhelming number of adults. You just might have a magnesium deficiency. While magnesium isn't a mineral that gets much attention, it's one of the most important nutrients for a wide range of bodily functions. It plays a role in hundreds of chemical reactions in the body. And when we don't get enough, our bodies let us know in so many different ways. Directly responsible for muscle contractions and nerve signals. Magnesium also helps control the level of calcium we have in our system. When this function fails, and we've got too much calcium in our system, we can experience all sorts of undesirable symptoms, including muscle cramps and fatigue. Taking a simple magnesium supplement will take care of many of these unwanted side effects of lowered magnesium levels. Supplements may help you relax, fall asleep, have higher energy levels throughout the day, and aid in digestion. One great way to get more magnesium is by absorbing it through the skin. Yes, a magnesium lotion, applied topically, has magnificent benefits. Those who participated in a study involving soaking their feet in a magnesium flake bath reported higher magnesium levels, according to one study. Maybe you don't have time to soak your feet in magnesium. A lotion is a sensible alternative that is readily available and affordable. It provides the same relief to tired, sore muscles, moisturizes the skin, and even acts as a natural sunscreen. Check out this recipe for a homemade magnesium lotion. Ingredients: 1/2 a cup of magnesium chloride flakes, 3 tablespoons of water, 4 ounces of raw shea butter. Instructions: bring the water to a boil, and then mix in the magnesium chloride flakes. Stir up the solution until the flakes are completely dissolved. Next, melt the shea butter and combine it with the magnesium chloride. Blend the mixture until it has a homogeneous consistency, like lotion. You can store it in lotion bottles and use it as much as you'd like. This lotion will last up to 2 months if refrigerated. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.